Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope your day is off to an amazing start. As you guys can see, I'm in my robe. It's a bit chilly here, and I'm about to make some breakfast. But before I do that, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know I'm back today with another video. And today we're going to be doing some fall decorating here in my kitchen. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of, fall to the countertops and sharing what I do. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration and a little bit of motivation to do some of your own fall decorating in your kitchen or in any other space in your home. And I want to thank you for tuning in today's video. I appreciate all your love and support. And guys, if you enjoy home decorating, DIYs, motivational cleaning and organizing, and a little bit of cooking, and all that good stuff, you are in the right place. Definitely subscribe to this channel, guys. You won't be disappointed. Tap your bell twice. That way you'll always get alerts each and every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And like I said, I hope this video is inspiring. So guys, before I start decorating my countertops for fall, and the noise in the background is my grandson watching something, so I gotta hurry up and talk because I don't want to have any copyright. We're gonna clean the surfaces. I love making sure that my surfaces are clean before I add any kind of decor. So I'm gonna start off with my hot beverage station, and then we're gonna move on to the other areas here in the kitchen.
From the start, by the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibe. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. I'm spinning outside, going down. I'm spinning marks by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So guys, I'm going to move on to this area, and I'm going to be setting this area up more of like a little candy area because Halloween is coming up, and I have my two grandbabies, 7 and 2. So I'm gonna add a little bit. I have a little bit of candy here that I'm gonna be adding to it. That I got from Dollarama. I have these creamy, super soft, like chewy. I actually used to buy these for like 5 cents each when I was in high school. They're like $1 or something like that. And then I have some Werthers. I'm just going to place these into an apothecary jar. And then I also have a smaller apothecary jar that I've had for many, many years that have lollipops in it. I'm just gonna be using whatever candies I have on hand until I can run out to the dollar store. It's not going to be any kind of creepy skeleton stuff because I'm not into all of that kind of Halloween decoration. I don't celebrate Halloween like that. I used to take my kids trick-or-treating, but I don't decorate with all that spooky stuff. But
finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moon. moment with me. Give you a moment to give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment to stay in a moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment to give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment to give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline. Finally don't get no, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just